In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cut a shape out of a shape in Photoshop. So let's go ahead and do this now. So once you've opened up a new project, you first need to create your shape. To do that, find the shape tool, hold down left click on it, and then choose the shape you want to create. I'll create an ellipse here, so we'll hold down shift and click and hold, and that's going to create a circle. Once we've done that and we've let go, we've created our shape. It will be in whatever color we've got selected here. You will then see the shape layer here on the right. Once you've done that, click enter and just make sure that you're not selecting your shape. Now what you need to do is go ahead and hold down the shape again and choose the shape that you want to put inside of your existing shape. So I'm going to go triangle tool and we're going to create a triangle. Now so we can actually see what I'm doing, I'm going to change the color to black and we can then create our triangle shape here. Okay, so now we've created our triangle shape. We now need to go ahead and put it where it needs to go. For some reason it didn't change to black, so I'm going to double click on the layer and we'll go color overlay, and here we can change the color. Now we've done this, we can go ahead and choose the location for the shape. So I'm going to put it here like the example. Now on the layers you'll see your shape here, your triangle. Go ahead and hold down Control and click on the box here, the rectangle layer preview, and it will then highlight your shape. Then click on the shape you want to cut out, which is our ellipse. We can then click delete on the keyboard. Now if it gives you this error, you need to go ahead and right click on your shape and then click rasterize layer. Now when you click delete on the keyboard, it's going to cut that shape out of your existing shape. Now you can remove the triangle shape by clicking on the eye icon, or you can just go ahead and delete it completely. To get rid of this selection box, hold down Control and D on the keyboard. Now if you click on your layer here, the first layer that you created, you can move this and you can see you've got a cutout of that shape. So I hope that video helped you out.